Hey everybody, I'm Dan Hoffman, and Phil, this one's for you. So Phil was sitting at the bar the other night, and we started talking about these very special drinks I did during the fall, and I used a homemade simple syrup to make them. So we're going to talk about simple syrup, what it is, why you want to make it, and what you can do to get really creative with some of the flavors. Remember, Monday rules don't apply. So first of all, simple syrup, what is it? It's sugar and water. Okay. Classic simple syrup is typically 1 part of water and 1 part of sugar. You use white table sugar. Okay, like 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, or half cup of water and half cup of sugar. There's also a concentrated simple syrup where you double the sugar. So you do 1 cup of water, 2 cups of sugar. And that's the kind of simple syrup, when I'm making it, I like to do that. I can always add the water later if I want it diluted for a drink, but this way I also have it concentrated if I'm making, let's say, an old-fashioned with it or something like that. So what makes tonight's special? We're swapping the white sugar for brown sugar. I'm using light brown sugar. You can use dark brown sugar. It'll just give you a stronger molasses flavor. And instead of water, I'm using apple cider. So what do we do? So this is 1 cup of packed brown sugar. This is half cup. So I'm doing that 2 parts to 1 part. So it's half cup of cider to 1 cup of sugar. Put that in the pot, stir it up. When you're doing this double ratio, you've got to heat it up, otherwise the sugar won't all dissolve. If you're doing a 1-to-1, often you can skip this heating part. While that's heating up, I'm also going to add a cinnamon stick, just to add a little extra flavor. Okay, so for me, this evokes a lot of flavors and memories of the autumn, apples and cinnamon and just that kind of good stuff. So let the syrup boil for 10 or 15 minutes, turn it down and let it simmer, and keep a sharp eye on it, because you walk away for 15 or 20 seconds, it's going to boil over and make a huge sticky mess, and you don't want that. So stir it now and then, keep the heat nice and low, simmer it for 10 or 15 minutes, and then you're good to go. And so if you like and subscribe to the video, I'll show you how to make some cocktails with this syrup next. They're delicious.